Hello friend, today I will demonstrate a hair cutting technique that will give an illusion of thickness at the perimeter. Now where is the perimeter? The perimeter is from the outside. Even though this is look like the inside, no, this is the outside. So there's different technique. We give the appearance of your hair is thicker than it is. So you want to have a tools. First of all, you want to have a cutting scissors, not kitchen scissors, that you feel comfortable within your hands. You wanted to have a cutting comb that is the opposite of your hair cutter. Why? So you can see better. So you will have a cutting comb the opposite of your hair cutter. It could be blue or black, but that's fine. You want to have a clippy that they are flat, not bulky. You see, this is too bulky. We do not, although this is very pretty, we don't need this, okay? So we want anything that is flat, like this. They can be colorful, but they have to be flat. You see all these? So you can see what you're doing. You want to have a water bottle and a brush to brush your hair. Okay, so let's begin. First things we're going to do is the bangs. We want to give an illusion of thickness, and we want a thickness right here and right here. Okay, so we are not going to do a V-cut. I usually do a V-cut, and a V is a V. We are going to do a U-cut, a U section. Okay, so we're going to get the clippy right here. And the clippy on the side, and make sure that we have the section that we want. And we want to put the clippy just right here. So we have a nice clear section. We want to wet the hair and look at the section, what we want. Make sure this is what we want. We want a little bit more here. Okay. Now remember, I did already cut my hair, so I'm going to simulate. So we want to wet the hair to make sure it is nice and wet. Bring it all the way up. Twist a little bit. And then when you get here, you're going to cut. You're not going to point cut. You're going to cut straight, because this is what we give this illusion of thickness, is the blonde cut. And then look at my finger. My finger are cup. It looks like a cup. You see how my finger are twisted like this? One is down, but the other one is up. And this is what gives the illusion or the undercut. And then you're going to cut. Okay? So now this is the bangs. And here in the middle, just right here, you're going to put some layer, and the layer you're going to twist. You have this, you're going to go this way so you can see, and then from here you're going to move a little bit, and then you're going to cut. This short, but this longer, and this gives this nice feather right here, but in here is blunt. So remember, like I say, I already did cut my hair, so I cut already 6 inches, so I'm not going to do it all over again because it would be too short. So, and here, this is the front layer, and you're going to put a clippy right here. And clippy right here. And if you need to wet it again to make sure it stays, go ahead. You're going to take this first layer in here. This is going to be your guide from both sides. And what you're going to do is you're going to cut straight down. But look at my finger. My finger, this one is flat, but this one, it gives this undercut. And that's what gives you this effect. And you're going to take this one, this piece, and make sure it lines up with this. And anything that doesn't match, cut. And then you're going to go here. You're going to take your comb, bring it under, bring your hair this way forward, and then you're going to make sure all the hair blend. Okay, now you're going to take this piece of hair, is at your guide, and bring it this way. And anything that does not align needs to be trimmed. Okay, and then you're going to keep on doing this until you have no hair left. You're going to go under and twist it, lift it up. Remember, this is your guide, so you want to just trim what is over. Okay, so you have your pieces lined up. So you take this, let me revise this because this is the technique. You bring this forward to the side, take your comb, bring it up, move your hands up, and now you can see the hair that is over and cut it. Okay, so now you have your front layer, and then you're going to keep on doing this. So I will show you the rest of the hair. We did not talking, and you can listen. So this is the most important, because this is the technique, and you will need to watch
my finger, and you also need to watch the way I angle my hair. If you notice in this technique, I do not put my hair behind my ears. Why? Because I do not want a V cut, and I also want a blonde cut, and I also want to cut the length. So I'm going to bring it to the side, 180-degree angle, and just up, 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 and you twist your hand. Now remember, my hair was already cut. I'm only simulate the haircut. So I'm only pretending because the phone was not working. But the most important is to watch that my hair is not behind my ear, it is over my ear, and I bring it forward to the side, and I pivot my hand like a cup. And this is what gives you this illusion of fullness and also bluntness. So this is a very, very important, is to watch the finger, but also watch how I pivot my hand. See how I pivot my hand every time, and this keeps the length, but it also gives you lots and lots of flowing throughout the layers. And I always keep my guide, whatever side I'm working on it, and just bring my guide with me to use it to cut the hair. So notice it's going up and it's over the ear, not behind, but over the ears. And pivot a little bit and just cut. From bottom to up. Remember, we don't want no slider. We want a layer, but a different type of layer. We want from the bottom up. Watch my finger. Look at how I cup my finger. It almost look like the neck of a bird. So this is going to give you lots of flowing, but this will definitely gives you for the back what you're looking for. We do not want a V. We want to slightly round it. So you're going to take the two pieces of your hair, starting from your neck, and bring them forward. Hold them straight down. And you're going to cut straight. No feather, no point cut, just cut straight. This is going to give this illusion of fullness, just straight across. So now you have your layer in the front. And this is the back and the side. So now, as you see, the hair is layered. It is very flowing, but it is a bit more thicker than usual. And from the back, You see, everything lines up. And the back is a little bit, just a little bit rounded. There is no V. It's just a little bit rounded. So this gives you an illusion of fullness. Remember, the most important things in this entire haircut is the way you're going to angle your finger. The way you bring your hand 180 degrees from side on the opposite side, and you do have to have lots of tension on with your hands and with your finger. So this is the haircut for this month, and I hope you have enjoyed it. This is going to be much easy because we're going to do some other things. And this is Chantal. Au revoir, merci et surtout à très bientôt.